Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you what you can do if you try to download GTA San Andreas Nteflix, but you get the message that your device isn't compatible with this version. So let's do this. Alright, so first what you can do is go to your phone's settings, and from here go to apps. And here in the list, you can scroll this down and find your Google Play Store. Now from here, you can scroll down and go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data and tap on Delete. Alright, so after that, you can tap back, and here go back to your settings and tap on software update. So here tap on download and install. Now this is going to search for the latest update for your software, and you just need to wait until the installation is finished. Now my software is up to date because I updated this a few days ago. Now after that, you can go back and go to your Play Store. Now tap on the search and type GTA San Andreas Nteflix, and you should be able to see and install the game from here. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.